A volcano forms when magma moves through the crust and erupts onto the surface of the Earth. Magma that flows onto the Earth's surface is called lava. Layers of cooled lava harden into rock and build up on the Earth's surface around a volcano. To access a comprehensive array of complete multimedia lessons, as well as the most up-to-date standards-based curriculum content that's researched, proven, and teacher-approved, visit us at newpathlearning.com to create your free online learning account now. Each multimedia lesson includes animated presentations, interactive activities, virtual labs, vocabulary exercises, and standards-based assessments.